Excellence Excellence Award, actually it is a profound affirmation of my team. It comes with a dedication and it comes with a commitment of my team. When it comes to, I would like to reaffirm in this, when we actually concentrate only on business and not taking care of other parts, excellence will not follow. But when you want to follow the excellence, you need to take the patient in center and look at all the areas when it comes to like operational efficiencies, customer efficiency, or the service efficiency, and more important is the clinical efficiency. And I think when you do this, excellence will follow you naturally. So our journey began with realization. How did we get this realization? We got this realization from the patient's feedback, from our management feedback, and our staff feedback. So every year we have a strategy meet at the start of year for the Medcare. During that time, all the areas where we need to focus has been taken into consideration, and those areas we take as a project. So one of our focus area for the last year was the ER efficiency. So we have started this project. Now when we started this project, first thing we wanted to have the team. So when you want to have the team, you want different stakeholders, and all the stakeholders needs to have the expertise. So we selected the team which was from the clinical, for the clinical excellence, Dr. Rahul, who was there, who is our medical director. Then my CNOs like Rajimol, Mini, all the CNOs, or Dheeraj, who was an ER head nurse, ER head nurse, or Jasmine, who was an ER head nurse, was involved into this project. Our operation people, like from my side, I was leading that project. Then we had even insurance team was involved into. So this team was a multi, like we can say a lot of stakeholders from the patient's journey. When we have studied, we have taken into consideration, and all of us, we are focused on the patients. Again, I want to reaffirm here that we just not focused on the business, but we have focused on the operational excellence, clinical excellence, and service excellence. When it comes to the clinical excellence, we wanted to adopt a lot of evidence-based practices, so which can help us to improve our clinical standard. And in fact, it has resulted to reduce our left against medical advice significantly. When it comes to the operational excellence, we have focused on how we can improve the patient flow. That has helped us to reduce. I can give you an example here. The left without seeing was 36 per month. It has reduced to 1 per month. And on the service excellence, what we have done we have actually focused on the top 5 irritants, and those top 5 irritants when we are looking into those top 5 irritants, it has helped us not only to improve the processes, but tackling behavioral issues or giving a training, and lot of small things such as improving our pharmacy stock. So it has overall led to excellence, and that's the reason this project was labeled as a beacon of excellence. So first and foremost, excellence is not a destination, it's a journey. And here I would like to say that, as rightly said by Steve Jobs, the great thing in the companies are not done by a single person, it is done by the group of people. And when you have a group of people, a compassionate and passionate team is along with you, you can set the culture. And once the culture is set, it is very easy to sustain it. That's it. Thank you very much.